Horizontal lines indicate that the printheads are dirty or worn. You will need alcohol pads to perform this cleaning. Start by turning your system off. Next, open the top cover as shown and identify the 3 printheads. Over time, the printheads will build up paper debris and residue. With your left thumb, press the printhead back towards the machine to prevent it from wiggling while you clean it. Using the alcohol pad, begin to rub the residue from the thin brown strip as shown. Using firm pressure, rub this brown strip in an up and down motion 30 to 40 times. Repeat this step for the other 2 printheads using new alcohol pads. If this still does not remedy the problem, your printheads may need to be replaced. Please contact our service department for a printhead replacement.